Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So, today mga kabuchi, we will be featuring our new vertical gardening for our philodendron mga kabuchi. So, we started with this one last week mga kabuchi, and I think I damaged a little the tip of the newly formed leaves mga kabuchi. So, damaged siya a little bit because of my disturbance noisiness. I don't know. So, but I think the plant is getting better sunlight when it is positioned vertically mga kabuchi because of the canopy of my garden under the trees mga kabuchi. So, mawalang ni siya, no? Very nice na kaayo. And then another one is here. So this one is also, we are also trying to grow this vertically mga kabuchi. Hopefully it will go up, but this one I think it will take time mga kabuchi for this to go up. And then we also started with the ability over there. Makita ba? So we need to get inside mga kabuchi. Okay, so tambayan ng mga plantita. So we were not able to remove this one mga kabuchi. It's very hard yun. So nag-flowers na rin ang mga tambis. And then this one mga kabuchi, the belite. So from now on, we will be trying to grow this one up mga kabuchi. So we will wait. Because just like this one mga kabuchi, the Ataba Ponsi and the other philodendron mga kabuchi, is grown up mga kabuchi, and it's very beautiful. Diba? Beautiful siya. And then, the black cardinal mga kabuchi was eaten by the worm. By the ugly worm. Look at that. Oh, see? Hmm? Hmm? So, it lost its beauty a little bit mga kabuchi. We also need to put in some organic matters mga kabuchi for the roots to penetrate. And also so that it can stand good mga kabuchi. And then, my variegated, sagay ni siya snowdrift mga kabuchi. Oh, look at the leaf mga kabuchi. This is actually getting bigger mga kabuchi, and I am quite happy about it. This one, the newly planted, I think it's surviving. But we are not seeing another kuan. Ano ba siya? We're not seeing another new plant here mga kabuchi. So we already rearranged this part here mga kabuchi. This is the view from my window. Kani, I need to attach it here. But I am also, I think ma-attach na siya mga kabuchi. It's having its own issues. And then this one, the philodendron choco caramel mga kabuchi, or they call it Prince Albert. We will also going to grow this vertically mga kabuchi, but not this time because it's still deep from the top of its pot mga kabuchi. So we will wait. And this is another beautiful plant. So I've already provided it an area where we can really admire its beauty mga kabuchi. This is cardboard. I think this is an anthurium, not a philodendron. But then it's very beautiful mga kabuchi. There's a golden one, pero I was not able to buy it. It's very expensive, and I'm not sure if it will thrive well here. But then again, this one is still a beauty mga kabuchi. So, maulang na siya. Our beautiful philodendron garden. So, when we are here, when we want to enjoy the view of our philodendron, mga kabutchi, we will sit down over there. Oh, diba? So, last time, mga kabutchi, we're planning to grow the philodendron golden serratum vertically, mga kabutchi. Hello, naunsa man eh. Nabiyaan. And here's the result, mga kabutchi. So, I decided to just put very kuan ra siya, isa ra siya kadangaw. So, we just planted kuan na short bamboo stick here, mga kabutchi. Kani siya, I am short of bamboo stick manggod, so wala pa siya. But this one, the four of them, mga kabutchi, already have a bamboo standing. So, we will just going to attach them to the bamboo, mga kabutchi. And encourage them to stand up and get more sunlight. So, oh, diba? Very nice. So, this should be the end of our video. Awana day pa na para kuan. This should be the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye.